When we add complex numbers, the rule is simple and consistent. We add the real parts together, and we add the imaginary parts together, separately. Think of it like combining like terms in algebra. Real with real, imaginary with imaginary. Never mix them. Now let's apply that to our problem. We are adding 3 minus 4i plus 8 minus 5i. Step 1. Drop the parentheses. Since we are adding, every sign stays exactly as it is. Nothing changes. We do not distribute a negative. We do not flip any signs. We simply remove the parentheses and keep everything in place. This gives us 3 minus 4i plus 8 minus 5i. Step 2. Combine like terms. First, the real parts. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Then, the imaginary parts. Negative 4i plus negative 5i equals negative 9i. Step 3. Write the final answer in a plus bi form. Our answer is 11 minus 9i, real part 11. Imaginary part, negative 9. And that is it. Clean, simple, and consistent every single time.